Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel and our continuing series on the Elvis Presley Advent calendar build. This is December 3rd, and we're going to open up the box for December 3rd. But before that, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by. If you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button down below and giving the channel a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. For all my current subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and all of your support. I really appreciate it. Alright, if you missed the previous videos, the links to those are in the description below, so you can go check those out. And with that, let's get going with the box for December 3rd. Alright, let's just locate December 3rd. There it is right there, so let's pull that out. Okay, we'll open our box. It's a very light box. And what is this? Okay, it looks like a little, I don't know, it's just like a little thing. Okay, well, let's close this box up and put it back in the calendar here because there will be a picture on the other side. So it was that way, so we'll put it in like this. All right, now let's go to our book, go to December 3rd and see what this is. This part talks about the Cadillac Fleetwood that he bought back in 1955 for his spring tour, which covered 230 cities in 6 weeks. It was pink and it was a secondhand, so it was a used car with a white roof. He didn't have it very long because apparently it caught on fire due to a wheel bearing overheating. So it didn't last very long, but as we all know, he made it through that just fine. All right, let's see what it says about box 3. Box 3 contains, a magnetic bookmark. You can use it to mark the current page in this companion book or in your favorite read. Okay, so this is a magnetic bookmark. So let's get this open here out of the package. All right. So stick it to something metal. Yep, it sticks to metal. All right, so this is just a tiny little bookmark. So we will set this aside for now. And that's it for today, December 3rd. So I will see you guys tomorrow for the next box in the Advent calendar. So until then, everyone have a great day and go build something.